Welcome back. Today we're taking a tour through Geode Social, our version of social where advertisers pay you directly. Now you can get to all the apps from the Geode homepage, everything in one spot. You are going to be operating off your default account, so this is who you are showing up as. This is the account you are using today. There's some recommended accounts here, just if you're looking for something interesting to find. We'll just copy this one by clicking on the icon next to it. That'll come in handy later. So you have your regular feed and you have your paid feed, and these are completely separate. Your regular feed is purely who you follow and your paid feed is purely advertisements. You can look up an account, you can set your settings, and you can see who you're following. So in your settings, you're going to want to do this first because you're going to need a username. So make sure you set up your settings first. If you haven't, you will be asked to load the contract the first time you approach this app, just the first time, on any device. Set your username, set your advertising interests. Your advertising interests can be a long string of comma-separated words. Just put in whatever you're interested in seeing ads about. Then you can put in the number of posts that you want in your feed. You can limit it. The default is 1,000, but you can make it smaller than that if you want to, and you can change that anytime you want. You're going to pick a username here. You can pick whatever you like. If it is taken, it won't let you do it. It'll kick you out. So if you have a problem doing your settings, try a different username. So you can follow anyone you like. And only people you follow will show up, as well as the first thing that those people have endorsed. You can unfollow, you can block, you can unblock, and you can update your settings anytime you want. And all that's found in the settings. So you can see who you're following here. So if you've forgotten, who am I following? Who am I not following? You can look that up here. So you can update even your username in the settings anytime you like. So let's go take a look at your feed. Now I'm operating as the demo account here, so I don't have anything in my feed. But you can make a post right from your feed, post a message, you can have a link. So the photo or YouTube link will be rendered within the app. And you can have an additional website link as well. Now your paid feed, you're going to type in a keyword of things you'd like to see ads for. Whatever interests you, whatever you're actually looking to buy right now. And you'll end up with ads that look like posts. And when you click the thumbs up to endorse them, you get paid. You can also create a paid post from here or endorse a specific paid post if you know the message ID. So to create a paid post, you have your message, you have your photo or video link, you can have a website link. You're going to decide how many people you're willing to pay and how much you're going to pay each person. This is all done in Geode, of course. Then the target interest words. You're going to want to keep this fairly small. And it kind of depends. There's two different strategies here. You can keep this to one word, or you can keep this to a lot of words depending on how people are searching for what you're doing. And this is going to be the total money, the total Geode that you're going to put on this. This should be the number of people you're paying times the amount you're paying per person. So if I'm paying 100 people and I'm paying them each 10 Geode, then this would be 1,000 Geode total that I am placing on this ad. Get your math right. Use a calculator if you need help. And then we would submit that form, and that's all it takes. And at that point, you've made a paid post, and the contract will keep that coin until they have actually looked at the post and endorsed it, which is proof that they saw it. So let's take a look at what a feed looks like. So this is one person's feed of their posts. You can see how many people they're following. You can see how videos and images get rendered here in the post. You can see the links. You can reply to a post with a little orange reply button. You can see how many endorsements a post has gotten. That's our little thumbs up. You can see the replies to a post. It is only one level deep on replies. So make sure you at somebody's username if you're trying to talk to them directly in the replies. Now, social is a little different here in that your feed is only going to show you, we're only going to keep the 3 most recent posts from that person and the 1 most recent post that they endorsed. So it encourages a little bit slower social pace, but a little bit deeper connection between and deeper discussion between people and who they follow. It also means you need to make sure you keep checking it because you don't want to miss out. So that's Geode Social. Lots of fun. Enjoy it. Use it in conjunction with the other apps. Share it with your friends, and we'll see you on chain.